Welcome to our review of the Fossil Gen 6 smartwatch, a standout in the world of wearable tech. Known for its classic design and cutting-edge features, the Fossil Gen 6 bridges the gap between traditional watch aesthetics and modern smartwatch capabilities. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a tech-savvy individual, or someone who values style, this smartwatch has something to offer. Let's dive into the key features and performance to see if it's the right fit for your wrist in 2024. Let's start with the design. Fossil has always been known for its premium aesthetics, and the Gen 6 doesn't disappoint. Available in a variety of colors and finishes, it retains the brand's signature sleek and versatile look. The stainless steel case, combined with interchangeable straps, ensures that you can switch from casual to formal with ease. The Gen 6 continues to be one of the most stylish smartwatches on the market, appealing to those who prioritize both form and function. The Gen 6 features a vibrant 1.28-inch AMOLED touchscreen display, which is sharp, bright, and easy to read even in direct sunlight. This high-quality screen enhances the overall user experience, making it easy to navigate through apps, notifications, and settings. Whether you're checking the weather, reading a text, or managing your calendar, the display is responsive and visually pleasing. Performance-wise, the Fossil Gen 6 is powered by the Snapdragon Wear 4100 chipset, which offers a noticeable improvement in speed and efficiency compared to its predecessors. Apps open faster, animations are smoother, and battery life is better optimized. The smartwatch runs on Google's Wear OS, giving users access to a robust ecosystem of apps and seamless integration with Android devices. It's also compatible with iPhones, although functionality is somewhat limited compared to Android. One of the standout features of the Fossil Gen 6 is its health and fitness tracking capabilities. Equipped with a heart rate monitor, SpO2 sensor, and built-in GPS, the Gen 6 provides comprehensive data to help you stay on top of your health goals. Whether you're tracking your workouts, monitoring your sleep, or keeping an eye on your blood oxygen levels, the Gen 6 delivers accurate and detailed insights. The new SpO2 sensor, in particular, is a welcome addition for users focused on overall wellness. Battery life has always been a critical factor for smartwatches, and the Fossil Gen 6 strikes a good balance. While it doesn't offer the multi-day battery life of some fitness-focused wearables, it lasts up to 24 hours on a single charge, depending on usage. The inclusion of fast charging is a major plus, allowing the device to go from 0 to 80% in just over 30 minutes. This is perfect for users who need a quick power-up during busy days. The Fossil Gen 6 also shines in terms of connectivity. It supports Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi, NFC for contactless payments, and even built-in Alexa for voice commands. Whether you're controlling smart home devices, paying for coffee, or listening to music, the Gen 6 ensures you stay connected and in control. However, no device is without flaws. One area where the Fossil Gen 6 falls short is its lack of standalone LTE connectivity, which may disappoint users looking for a completely untethered experience. Additionally, while the Wear OS interface is smooth, it still lags behind competitors like Apple's watchOS in terms of polish and ecosystem integration. In conclusion, the Fossil Gen 6 smartwatch is a fantastic option for those seeking a stylish wearable with solid performance. While it may not dethrone the leaders in the smartwatch market, it holds its own with a strong combination of features, design, and versatility. If you're looking for a smartwatch that complements your lifestyle without compromising on aesthetics, the Fossil Gen 6 deserves a spot on your shortlist.